What's up guys, and welcome back to another episode here on Full Throttle. My name is Charlie. Today I was going to drop that hub, so I think I'm going to do that too, but first thing I want to do is I want to start getting this bumper prepped. So this is a Nismo, I think it's called an N3 type front bumper. I left it out in the sun too long. It's a Vicrez bumper and I left it out in the sun too long and it kind of like sunk in the middle. So I'm going to try to use a heat gun and try to drill the holes and stuff to mount this on my car. That way I can start getting that prepped, because when my car gets fixed, all I'm gonna have to do is prep that, and then I've got a couple other little pieces to paint after I have the quarter panel and rear end replaced, and then I'm gonna be throwing that carbon fiber hood on. I've got a lot of stuff to do. So I've got this carbon fiber hood, and then I've got the arrow catch pins, so I'm gonna be putting those on, and I'm not gonna take the whole hood out of the box, but yeah, so I got those catch pins, and then I've got this bumper, and then I've got the G35 rear bumper mud guards, like the spats, and so I'm gonna put those on with the stock 350Z bumper, and then after I get the whole car painted, it should look pretty sick. So I'm gonna try to grab this bumper and see if we can get it mounted and get that part that sunk down popped out so it looks better on my car. So I'm probably gonna try to just throw that on my car and then sell my front bumper. So I'm gonna get to it now. Alright, so this is what I'm going to have to do. I'm going to take off this front bumper, and then I'm going to see how I can mount this one. And I'm going to try to use the foam that's underneath. It's called like the impact strip, like bar, the absorber foam that's on the front. And try to use that with the heat gun and get this pushed out so you guys can see it's been sitting for a little while. It's a little bit, down in the middle. So I'm going to throw it up on the car and see if we can get it fixed and get some of these holes drilled for it to be mounted. I mean, it looks alright, but it's going to take a little bit more work to pop this out right here. I don't know if you guys can see that there. So we're going to get some holes drilled and try to get this mounted up, so that way I can try to get this popped out more. I might end up putting something behind here just to push this out a little bit more.
If I got 350Z and tracked it, I would.
Alright, so I wanted to get your guys' opinion. I didn't drill the holes on this side yet, so that's why there's a little bit of a gap. But what do you guys think? Should I keep this bumper and get it worked out? Look at how high it is off the ground. Like literally, it's higher off the ground than my side skirts are. It is super high, like off the ground. Just to give you guys like I am almost 7 inches off the ground, which means even if I went down 2 inches over here, I would still be about 5 inches off the ground. Like, that is crazy. Let's see how high. I'm over 7 inches in the middle. Yeah, I think I'm gonna take this bumper off, but I wanted to see what you guys thought. so let me know. Alright guys, so this is pretty much the end of the video. I'm going to put my stock front bumper back on here. I don't know what I'm going to keep. I want you guys to let me know in the comment section, should I keep this Nismo front bumper or the Nismo style front bumper? Or should I put my OEM one back on with like a lip and stuff instead? Because this bumper sits really high off the ground. I don't know if I want to drop my car like 3 inches and jeopardize, you know, the performance of my car. So let me know what you guys think in the description. I might just go back to the OEM bumper and then put a lip on it instead with my carbon fiber hood. So let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. If you need any parts for 350Zs, G35s, 300ZXs, or G37s, check out the description and or hit me up on Instagram if you need anything. So I'm gonna be going to pick up those calipers tomorrow. Hopefully I can get them all done. With the way it's been going lately, it's like every time I go over there it's pushed back. But hopefully I can get those back tomorrow. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button. If you want to see more Z content, then consider subscribing. I've got a lot of stuff to come. Alright guys, I'll see you guys in the next video.